Welcome. I'm Karen Kelleher, the Withholding Section Supervisor. Thank you for joining us. Today we are going to review return and payment due dates, filing and payment frequencies, eligibility criteria, frequency changes, new withholding credit introductions, go over some common errors, and how to resolve problems. Starting with Form IL 941, Illinois has only one filing frequency, and that is quarterly. The tax year 2025 return due dates are posted here as follows. For first quarter, which covers January through March, that return will be due April 30th. Second quarter, April through June, will be due July 31st. Third quarter, covering July through September, will be due October 31st. And fourth quarter, October through December, will be due February 2nd of 2026. Our due dates do account for all allowable holidays and weekends that would otherwise extend the payment we're filing due date. Although we have only one filing frequency, Illinois does have two withholding payment frequencies, monthly and semi-weekly, and we'll go over both. Monthly is due by the 15th of the following month in which it was withheld. There is no electronic mandate for this payment. So for example, all of your March withholding would be due by April 15th. For semi-weekly, Illinois follows the federal rule that allows you at least 3 banking days to make your payments. These payments are subject to the electronic mandate, and we'll explain next how those work. So all amounts withheld on the preceding Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday would be due on the following Wednesday. Any payments withheld on the preceding Saturday, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday would be due on that following Friday, both scenarios allowing 3 banking days. And again, the weekends and holidays are taken into consideration for due dates. As far as the frequency eligibility, who is eligible for monthly? First-time and current taxpayers who reported less than $12,000 during the annual look-back period. So for 2024, July 1st of 2024 through June 30th of 2025 would be considered the look-back period. For semi-weekly, that would be taxpayers who reported more than $12,000 in the annual look-back period, or monthly payers who happen to reach that threshold within a quarter. If the taxpayer met the 12K threshold during the look-back period, they will be sent a notice that following October. The change will be effective the following January 1st. Letters will be sent to both your physical mailbox and your MyTax Illinois account if you have one. If the taxpayer met the 12K threshold within a quarter, no notice will be issued. It becomes the taxpayer's responsibility to begin making electronic semi-weekly payments immediately. Illinois has a few new WIC credits for 2025. We currently offer the minimum wage credit, organ donor credit, and a previously existing EDGE credit. For the 2025 tax year, we are adding the local journalism sustainability tax credit, EDGE for startups, Rev Illinois tax credit, and the live theater production credit. Getting into a little bit of each one of these, the local journalism sustainability tax credit offers financial support to help organizations hire and retain qualified journalists. A single local news organization can be eligible for up to $150,000 in tax credits. For more information regarding this credit, please go to dceo.illinois.gov. EDGE for startups. The Economic Development for a Growing Economy is a tax credit incentive program designed to encourage startups to invest, create, and retain jobs in Illinois. Businesses must be incorporated 10 years ago or less, never had any Illinois income tax liability, and be ready to hire full-time W-2 employees to be eligible. For more information regarding the Edge for Startups credit, please go to dceo.illinois.gov. Reimagining Energy and Vehicles Illinois program. REV Illinois offers competitive incentives to expand in or relocate to Illinois for companies that manufacture, in whole or in part, electric vehicles or aircraft, associated battery charging infrastructure, and recycling products, as well as renewables, including solar, hydrogen, wind, energy storage, and green steel manufacturing. Companies engaged in the research and development of these products may also be eligible for participation. For more information on the REV Illinois program, please go to ceo.rev@illinois.gov. Live Theater Production Credit. This program provides for a transferable credit of 20% of all qualified Illinois expenditures, including Illinois production spending, Illinois resident salaries up to $100,000 per worker, 15% additional credit on salaries of individuals making at least $1,000 in total wages who live in economically disadvantaged areas whose unemployment rate is at least 150% of the state's annual average. Credits may be transferred within 1 year of issuance. For more information on live theater, please go to livetheater@illinois.gov. The good part, getting to claim these credits. To claim any withholding credits, you must complete the Schedule WC, and please make sure that it is for the correct year. Just follow the instructions provided with the form to complete this section on the Schedule WC. To wrap up, we'll cover some common errors that can be avoided by e-filing. We'll make sure that we're using the correct form. All attachments will be accounted for. There'll be fewer to no math errors. No duplicate returns. Please do not file a paper one. Timely filing of W-2s, subject to the electronic mandate as well. Other common errors. Incorrect Schedule Ps will cause processing delays, potentially incorrect billing from Secure Choice, and an inability for us to issue a refund. As Mr. Farthing said in the earlier presentation, we do not accept invalid forms or doctored forms for incorrect years, versions. If it says worksheet or if it has the do not file watermark, things like that will cause your return not to be processed. Misapplied payments can cause a balance due, and overpayment would require a written request to move. We do not roll over payments to the next period, so credits do not carry forward in that regard. Illinois does not require an annual reconciliation for withholding, and it will cause processing delays and requires an amended return to correct. Getting to the end here, resolving problems for withholding income tax filers. Most important, responding to notices in a timely manner. For faster resolution, set up a MyTax Illinois account. Otherwise, we do accept postal mail responses also. Responding creates a hold on the account to prevent additional billings and collection action until we review your response. For more information regarding payment and filing requirements and e-filing options such as MyTax Illinois and FSET, please visit tax.illinois.gov. We are here to serve you in any way we can. If you have any questions about withholding, you may submit them now. Thank you for your time.